हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 4th का EVS 2 का लेसन नंबर 4 शिवाजी चाइल्डहुड के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, चूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। A. Shivaji was born on the Shivneri fort. B. Adil Shah assigned the task of conquering the territories in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. Second, write the answer in one sentence. A. What did Shivaji feel due to Jijabai's teaching? Answer. Due to Jijabai's teaching, Shivaji felt that on growing up, he should also display valor like that of Rama, Krishna, Bhima and Abhimanyu. B. What games did Shivaji and the children of the Maulas play? Answer. Shivaji and the children of Maulas played hide and seek or played with a ball or a top. C. Why did Shahaji Raje leave Nizam Shahi? Answer. Shahaji Raje could not withstand the conspiracies and petty rivalries in the court of Nizam Shah and therefore got infuriated and left Nizam Shahi. Third, write the answers in 2 or 3 sentences. A. Whose stories did Jijabai tell Shivaji? Answer. Jijabai told Shivaji the stories of Rama and Krishna, Bhima and Abhimanyu. Second, also occasionally she would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdeva, Jnaneshwar or Eknath. B. Why did Shahaji Raje declare the child heir from the Nizam Shah's family as the new Nizam Shah? Answer. In order to forestall the Mughal emperor and the Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje found out and declared the child heir from the Nizam's family as the new Nizam Shah. Second, thus with the new Nizam Shah, Shahaji Raje established an altogether new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers of Godavari and Neera. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.